Hey, cut it up. Hey, man's a dancer, you know, don't watch that, fam. Anyways, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy, Dat Guy. Yup. And I'm back with another video for him. If you're new to this channel, guys, make sure you check out my previous videos. I'm gonna put the link right there, so click that and go check my previous videos and come back here. Hit that like button right now. I don't care if you ever watched it, just hit that like button because you fuck with me like that. Get me? My G's. But anyways, guys, basically this video is gonna be about me showing you who my favorite YouTubers are and their favorite cars. I'm not gonna take all credit because this video was actually inspired by someone called Other Stuff. Might as well go check out his channel, why not? But yes, he done this video on his favorite YouTubers and the favorite car, and I thought, why not? I want to show you my favorite YouTubers and the favorite cars of theirs they got as well. So yeah, make sure you watch all the way to the end, and I would appreciate if you actually leave a thumbs up and oh yeah, load up the intro. So as I mentioned previously, this video is gonna be me just talking about my favorite top YouTubers and the favorite cars they got. So the way this video is actually gonna work, top 5. So not my least favorite, but the 5th, the 4th, the 3rd, the top 3 and the top 2 and the top 1. Yeah, you get the gist anyway. So without any further ado, let's get right. Actually, before we get right into this video, yeah, shout out to a guy called shout out to a guy called Omi and a Hellcat. See, this guy is an American YouTuber. Obviously I'm gonna be playing the clips as I'm shitting this video anyway. So anyway, yeah, this guy's an American YouTuber. He's so sick, like his intro is so sick. It goes like Homie in a Lambo.
Homie in a Lambo? Nah. Homie in a Hellcat? Yeah.
Nah. Oh man, the Hellcat. That's lit, innit? But anyways, guys, go check him out if you want to. I mean, I don't know, I'm shouting people bigger than me, but yeah, go shout, they check them out anyways. But yes, so let's get into this video. So the 5th person to come into the 5th place in the top 5 is actually Yanomize. So who's Yanomize? Yanomize is a guy who raps cars, he does crazy colors, he's a sick guy. He's got 2 cars that I know of anyways. He's got a Lamborghini Urus and he's got a Lamborghini Aventador S. I think, yeah, that's it, innit? And my favorite car between them two, I can't be like the Urus, because like it's just I think it's the fastest SUV. Actually the Tesla X might be the fastest now, but yes, there's just a bull in it. They're setting up a da boom, up a da boom, up a da boom. And I mean the bulldogs and that. There's something about it. And Yanomize is a sick guy. He's levels, man. He's proper business minded. That's what I love about him, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's it. So going on to the 4th person, we've got Matt Armstrong. So this guy is someone who I came across on YouTube randomly. I'll say randomly when I was just trying to watch all the car YouTubers and that. And the way he makes his, let me just show you the way he makes his videos now. So
now, before we begin this out of the ordinary video, I'd like to say a special thanks to Adrian Flux for not only ensuring the Maserati, the Q5, the Audi R8, the A45, the Bentley and most of the other cars on the channel, but also for sponsoring today's video. So after this video, click the link in the description box below and go get a quote with Adrian Flux for your car, and hopefully you'll be pleasantly surprised.
Goes like that and they're still talking. So I'm never capping. That's the way it's so, like, his videos are just so crazy. As I was saying, for example, he's got Audi R8 and he's got like a Bentley Continental GT. Yes, and Aston Martin, I think. Yeah, he's got Aston Martin. So yeah, he takes these cars, buys them like they're broke off, they're broken, like there's nothing about these cars, and he just does it up. Like, I mean, it's sick, innit? You know what I'm saying? Like, he's supposed to have time on his hands, yeah, but bro, I don't even know. I don't think anyone's doing it like him. And that's what I'm gonna say. Like, all these my top 5 YouTubers, they're all of them, they got the signature. They're all different in their own ways, which is why I actually love them. And I'm just, yeah, man, I look up to them, man. I can't rely. So Matt Armstrong coming in 4th place. He's actually a sick YouTuber. His angles are wavy. His favorite car of his that he's got, I would say, is the techie. I want to say Audi R8, but I want to say that's the mountain at the same time. So I'll just say for the Audi R8 because yeah, that's a what's it called? Is it a supercar? Because is that debate like is an Audi R8 a supercar or is it not? We don't know, but I think it is anyways. Because I think I'm not gonna put the engine size because I don't want to get no whiplash whatever in the comment section. So yeah. But anyways, in the comment section right now, let me know what engine is in an Audi R8. I think it's a V10. I think I might be right, but let me know in the comment section right now if I'm right or not. So yeah, so my favorite car Matt Armstrong is the Audi R8. So going into the third place now, I've got my man officially gassed. I just clocked when I started this video that I'm wearing an OG jumper. I did not plan this. I was going out today. I saw this jumper. I was like, okay, I want to wear all black today. And boom, look at me shooting a video in my officially gassed channel. I mean. Hey man, one day I'll jump on the channel, you get me? But shooting my video in my officially gas jumper is very comfy, man. But anyways, guys, so he's got he used to have quite a few cars. All of them that changed their cars, they levels, fam. So right now I know he's got an Audi S5 and he's got the Honda Civic Type Integral Type out. So I'm not really a Honda guy. Like I don't know. But I do rate them. Don't get twisted. Whoa, I rate them. Them cars are quick and the way they sound like something out of, I don't know, out of space. Like. Oh my gosh. Unrealistic. And yes, but anyways, he's got into Type R that I know about and he's got S5. His favorite car is, I've been an Audi guy. Like my mate used to have an S4 back in the day. So you know what I'm saying? So I know what it feels like to be in an S4 to be fair. So yes, his favorite car of his is my Audi S5. Obviously the guys is a sick YouTuber. His energy, Jamie, comes in with vibes. Like I just like the way he's one of the people, and what I love about this guy is drop him a DM, he's gonna reply you. Like when I was trying to get into the YouTube when I was about to start shooting my videos and I messaged my man just out of backs and this guy actually replied me and I was like, right then, I never expected that. Do you know what I'm saying? So this is actually someone who's actually so down to earth. So going up to the next second person would be LLF. Yes. You see, my top 2 is gonna be a bit techie because obviously you know what not. And I'm saying like everyone in the scene, we know what's happening, whatever. But yeah, I can't really change it because my top 2 second is LLF Ricky, and the reason why Ricky is actually in my top 2 is because this is someone before I knew before I knew he's the big YouTuber, not a big YouTuber. Like I used to have a mate who used to go to this car meets and stuff. So I remember the first time I came in Brum, we went to MSL Performance, and I don't know, LLF was doing something extra, man. I don't even know, but he was there, and it was just when I met him in person, it was such a calm brother. And I'm saying because my boy actually crashed on that day, and he was literally trying to help us out. Like he was a big guy, but he literally gave him his number and stuff, and was literally trying to find the person that hit him and like trying to source the parts. I was like, raw. I never expected that, you know what I'm saying? So that's why since then it's one of the people who's motivated me to actually jump on this YouTube thing. I'm not gonna lie, I've been trying to do this for years, but I said I'll start. But this last year I just said no, I'm doing this there and there. So yes, LLF has got a Hellcat, it's got a BMW M5, it's got a GTR. And I just found out recently he actually had a Honda Type out. Is it Type out? Yeah, a Honda Type out. But more times he was just chilling. Like he made a video on it like a year ago or something like that. But yeah, man, his favorite car he's got of his right now that he's got in his collection of that I like would be. Oh damn, I don't know. You lot let me know what would be your favorite car of a GTR, Hellcat, and also BMW M5 competition. Let me know in the comment right now. What do you think it would be? I don't even know because I'm in a dilemma right about now, fam. I think I'll go for. I want to say Hellcat because boy, I can't like if I ever get enough funds and stuff. Hellcat is definitely gonna be a car I just wanna like. If not, maybe not Hellcat, maybe a Mustang would be something I definitely wanna have in my like car collection, like just American muscle. You know what I'm saying? But no, I'll go for the. I think I'll go for the GTR, Godzilla of all cars, GTR. So now we're back to my top at the moment YouTuber, favorite YouTuber. He's always been my favorite YouTuber for quite a while now because I found out about him more recent years, like 2 years ago or something like that. So drum roll. And my favorite number 1 sport is DMO. Hey, look at that man said that, you know. Hey, DMO. Yeah, DMO DJ. This guy is a YouTuber, is a DJ. He's a businessman, a business owner. is everything. You know what I'm saying? Like that's why he's like top there, because I'm always business minded. You know what I'm saying? I'm a business man. If you know me personally, I'm a business minded person, and obviously this guy also does YouTube. He's into music, loves music. I'm a music guy as well. You know what I'm saying? Like I love my music. So, but yeah, with DMO, his energy is just all my days. Like his energy is just over the roof. You know what I'm saying? Like every time, sometimes I watch his video, like okay, cool. Let me watch a bit of my man's video, innit? Okay, man's got energy. Let's go. Welcome back to the channel. It's about that guy. Hey, I said yeah, he's got energy still. See, like I don't know, man. Obviously, I could only be myself, but I want a bit of like a DMO and maybe LLF, because LLF is like calm and officially gas, because officially gas like it's like it talk, in my opinion, it talks like he's like some BBC reporter or something like that. And I'm saying like he's got the modulation and the tone and like yeah, man. Anyways, DMO, his energy is sick. Energy. Speaking about energy, hey, if you're going D Max, hey, man's gonna be there, you know. Man didn't slack on them tickets and that, you get me? Obviously, man's gonna be there in a little bit. So I'm gonna be vlogging the whole thing. Like, hopefully, Corona doesn't mess up nothing, and we're actually gonna go London to Barcelona. D-Max is an event that DMO is actually hosting. Like, obviously, we don't know the reason why he's the one he's not doing D-Max, but obviously, let's not talk about that. But yes, but yeah, they violated my man. They said, you know, I flip my L to a W, which is what DMO does every single time. So yes, so we're gonna be going to D-Max. I can't wait to that. Back to his whips. So DMO's got so many cars. Alright guys, quickly, so when I shot this video, yeah, DMO hasn't said anything about getting an SVJ. So guys, I just realized he's got a new collection to his car. He's got a Lamborghini SVJ, one of 500 in the UK. Anyways, back to the video. Right now, he's living the life. You know what I'm saying? But DMO recently got a Lamborghini. I don't know how I feel about it, because I did not see myself DMO purchasing a Lamborghini. I see him like in a Type R, smoking numbers, not driving numbers. But obviously, I guess like if you're really a petrol head, you gotta have like the proper like down to earth kind of cars, and you got the luxury cars. You can't just have just and be like, oh yes, man's about all this petrol, because those are actually horsepower and the numbers and that. You know what I'm saying? So anyways, he's got, well, he had a Golf R, he's still got a Golf R, it's got Demo's got a Lambo, he's got the TR, he's got the Honda's Type R, he's got the quads, he's got the C63S, he's got the Fox 2 Mobile. I don't even know what flipping, I think it's a Ford. Yeah, I can't lie, he's got Demo's just got bare vehicles, you know what I'm saying? So, but my favorite car of all of his vehicles or whatever he's got right now is the C63S. Oi, I think 6.3 litre or something like that. But yeah, serious that car, man. I love the way he's got it in the matte black. Slick, sick stuff, I can't even lie. But also the thing, oh yeah, and also I can't even lie, like the quads, I'm so impressed, because like the numbers, I watch his videos and I watch his Insta and story. I'm active, I'm on top of. You can call me a fanboy or whatever, I don't care. But yeah, like his quads and stuff, like the speed they do, I get scared, but I'm not even on the quads, fam. I can't even lie, like he's doing. Go watch. When you go watch it and come back to my video and drop me a comment, and you know what I'm talking about, innit? But anyways, guys, so that's been the top 5. So my top 5 again, coming in 5th position is Janama is going to come into 4th position is Matt Armstrong, coming to 3rd position is officially Gas, coming to 2nd position is LLF, and coming into 1st position will be DMO. So that's just my opinion, just my favorite top 5 YouTubers, car YouTubers. So let me know what your favorite top car YouTubers in the comment section right now. So and let me know ideas of videos you want me to do in my room like this. Some people say maybe revisit the past car videos, whatever. Let me know in the comment section. Drop me a DM on Instagram. My DMs are open. I don't end anyone. I reply. I try my best to reply to everyone. So if I've aired you in the past, it's because I haven't seen the message personally. I wouldn't air you and see the message. Make sense? But yes, but thanks for watching all the way to the end. And if you haven't hit the like button already, hit that like button. But as you know, it's be your boy Dat Guy. One love and peace out.